Well, it certainly looks like it's going to be a good 12 months for sheep farmers back here in New Zealand. But when we do look at some of the products out in the market, there is reason to be a little bit jittery about expecting too much from the market over the next 12 months. The first is, of course, wool. Wool prices have been extremely high over the past 12 months. But when we look at some of the other products in the market, there is reason to be a little bit concerned at the moment. While cotton isn't a perfect substitute for wool, the fact that it has fallen by around a half in value over the past 6 months does make me a little bit nervous, and does also mean that we can't assume that wool prices will be strong over the next 12 months. The second, of course, is sheep meat. And sheep meat has increased significantly over the past 12 months, and while all our international markets are looking pretty good, there is a lot going on in the economy right now. But bringing this all together, I'm still picking that sheep meat prices are going to be pretty good in the year ahead and should be around the levels that we have seen over the past 12 months, which is going to be positive news for local farmers. Well, global share markets have opened up for the first day of trading overnight, and it certainly looks like US and European markets are looking pretty jittery at the moment. And most of the focus is on the US economy and whether their policymakers are going to come to some form of agreement in terms of lifting their debt ceiling and also stripping out some costs from their current budget. But right now, it doesn't seem like US policymakers are coming to any agreement, and this is reason to be concerned about the global economy and for markets at the moment. But the currency continues to look strong. The New Zealand dollar is currently trading at around 86.50 against the US, and it has edged off the highs that we did see late on Friday out of the US market, where we reached 86.75 against the US dollar. We're also looking extremely high against the pound, currently trading well over 53 against the pound early on Tuesday morning.